Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you some best Excel shortcuts. First, open the Microsoft Excel application on your computer. Enter the data. For example, I created columns for math and English marks. To do the sum of marks, select the cell you want to show the sum. In the cell, write the function starting with the equal sign. Enter the formula equals sum and select the cells you want to add. If you want to add a row between the rows, then select the row where you want to add. Press Ctrl+Shift+ and the new row will be added before the selected row. To delete the row or a column, select it and press Ctrl+. Then select row or column will be deleted. If you want to extract the name from the email address, write the email address in the cell. For example, I added 2 email addresses in the cells. Select the cell, write the name from the email, and press Ctrl+E to flash fill. The names from the other email addresses will be extracted automatically. You can enter more email addresses to extract their names. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.